Hi, folks, and welcome to EDRM 600 Research Methods. My name is Dr. Leanne Kaiser, and I'll be your instructor for this course. You can call me Leanne, Dr. Kaiser, whatever you're comfortable with is fine with me. I've worked with a few of you in previous courses, so it's great to see you again. And for those who I haven't worked with in the past, I'm looking forward to getting to know you and working with you this semester. Just a little bit about myself, a little short introduction. Um, I've been working with CSU, with the Adult Education and Training Program, since 2008, so I've been here a few years. Um, I absolutely love it. I love the students. I love the topic. I'm truly just love what I do in my job. I actually don't live in Fort Collins, where CSU is located, but I live about an hour north, actually up in Laramie, Wyoming. So this is my home office. I often do my videos here. I can ensure that it's quiet when I'm here and people aren't walking in and out of my office. But I do about half of my work here at home and then about half of my work commuting down to campus. So like many of you, I get to be a distance instructor, like your distance students. Let's see, I have a kiddo, two kiddos, excuse me. My son Sam is a seventh grader. My daughter Anna is a fourth grader. My husband Steve is a physical therapist, a firefighter, and an EMT. Yeah, that's a few jobs, I know. um, what else? Wintertime now, we enjoy skiing, downhill skiing, try to do that pretty much every weekend during the winter. When summer comes, I'm an avid gardener. I love gardening. We love to go hiking. So we try to do a lot of outdoor things living in our mountains here. So in any case, I am really looking forward to getting to know each of you, the people that I don't know, and working again, like I said, with those I've already worked with. Please feel free, throw a video up if you would like to do your introduction that way. Sometimes it's kind of nice to have kind of that connection with each of you. Don't hesitate to reach out at any point during the semester with any questions, concerns, just to chat with me. I'm happy to set up times for phone calls or to Skype, or if you prefer to email, whatever works for you. I really want to make sure that this class is going to fit kind of your learning needs and your learning style. And the more I can get to know about you and how to work with you in that area, the better that all works out. Um, yeah, so I'll leave kind of the introduction to the other course pieces to other aspects. I'll just make this the introduction to myself. And thanks everybody for being in class.